Okay, news now from Tamil Nadu that TTV Dinakaran has already left for the national capital. He is to appear here in Delhi and appear before the Delhi police. If you remember, the Delhi police had filed an FIR against the AIADMK Deputy General Secretary TTV Dinakaran for allegedly trying to bribe the Election Commission of India. Now, what we are hearing is that he just left Chennai airport a while ago. He has been summoned by the Delhi police in connection with the bribery case against him for allegedly bribing a middleman to secure the two-leaf symbol. TTV Dinakaran there leaving for Delhi, those visuals that came about a short while back. Now, very interestingly, he has denied all of the charges made against him. He has maintained a calm composure, saying that he has done no wrong. We have a reaction. Let's listen in.
கோடியே 50 லட்சம் அனைத்து இந்திய அண்ணா திராவிட முன்னேற்ற கழக தொண்டர்களுடைய உணர்வு, அவருடைய எண்ணம், தமிழக மக்கள் எண்ணம் நிறைவேறிக் கொண்டிருக்கிறது. நல்ல செய்தி வந்து கொண்டிருக்கிறது. நல்லது நடக்கும். நல்லதை மக்கள் எதிர்பார்ப்பு நடக்கும்.
Straight across now to India Today's Shalini for more updates. Shalini, so this is going to be an important day for TTV Dinakaran when he makes an appearance before the Delhi police in the bribery charge case.
Well, Avantika, there were rumors that he had given that he had asked for a 4-day breather, and the Delhi police was likely to refuse. And now TTV Dinakaran has left Chennai, gone to Delhi. He'll probably reach around 12:30. 9:45 is his flight from Chennai. 12:30 is when he's expected to land in Delhi. It's going to be a hectic day ahead for TTV Dinakaran, and as we know, it's a 50 crore bribery case. This is not the only case in which he has been accused. He also has his FERA hearing that's coming up on the 25th, in which the court expects him to produce himself on Monday. Now, this is what is expected of TTV Dinakaran, to be back in Chennai by Monday. But let's see where the questioning takes him. Let's see where the probe takes him. And the Delhi police is likely to ask him to stay on for the investigation, for the probe. And as you know, they even brought Sukesh Chandrasekhar, who is the middleman. They brought him to Chennai with him, then took him to Kochi, and he's back in Delhi. So the Delhi police is on its way to figuring out what exactly happened, because there were also allegations that the money that was passed between the duo was to bribe Election Commission officials.
Absolutely.
Delhi police also confirmed that they have a list of officials. They have a few names of the officials.
And that is a very serious charge, isn't it, Shalini? The big question is, will TTV Dinakaran be arrested? And if he is arrested, that would just spell doom for the, Deputy General Secretary of the party.
Well, as of now, there is no arrest warrant issued, so having him arrested is out of question. However, the Delhi police does claim that they have some incriminating evidence, strong, hard-hitting evidence against him. Sources confirmed that the evidence is in the terms of audio clippings, phone conversations between TTV Dinakaran and the alleged middleman Sukesh Chandrasekhar, who TTV clearly claimed when he spoke to India Today. He claimed that he does not know who Sukesh Chandrasekhar was. It was the first time he was hearing his name. Now, this is what we know from TTV Dinakaran's side. And as far as the Deputy General Secretary post is concerned, TTV Dinakaran was asked to submit a resignation and also issue a public statement of the same. The EPS camp came out saying that they are going against TTV Dinakaran and Shashikala, and they do not want the duo in the party. Whereas the OPS camp said, if you want a merger, then no TTV Dinakaran, no Shashikala, both should submit a written resignation and also issue a public statement regarding the same. Moreover, they said any minister, any MLA, any party worker who is still in touch with Shashikala and her kin, stern action should be taken against them, and they should be expelled from the party. So as far as the Deputy General Secretary post is concerned, TTV Dinakaran is no longer within the party according to the party cadre.
All right. We'll have to leave it at that. Thanks so much for joining us.